No, I'm just one of your neighbors will really appreciate it. It's gonna do it. It's okay. Surprised it didn't happen till today, you know.
I wish we could follow over now, you know.
Yeah, I'm glad it come down that way. I mean, it could have sure been different how that thing. Well, it's still pretty hard. It definitely ain't like it was, but it ain't. I hear something rumbling.
Yeah.